There are several ways to check your installed applications and programs on Windows 11. We will walk you through the different options available. The first and easiest method is to access the Apps and Features settings. To do this, perform a right-click on the Start button and then select Settings. Once you are in the Settings page, look for the Apps option on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Then, click on Apps and Features. This will present you with a list of all installed applications, including application execution aliases. This list displays all the applications currently installed on your computer. If you wish to remove any application from this list, you can select the application, click on the three dotted lines next to it, and then choose Uninstall. Another method to locate installed apps is by opening File Explorer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard simultaneously. In the address bar of File Explorer, type shell:/Appfolder and press Enter. This will take you to a section that helps you locate installed applications. Similar to the previous method, if you want to uninstall any application, you can right-click on it and select Uninstall. A third way to check what programs are installed on your computer is by using the Run command. You can open the Run window by searching for it, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard. Once the Run window is open, type Appwiz.cpl in the command bar and click OK. This will open the Programs and Features window, which displays a list of all programs installed on your computer. It is important to note the difference between this method and the Apps and Features section. The Programs and Features window will not show applications installed from the Microsoft Store, nor will it list apps that are pre-installed in Windows 11 from the store, such as the calculator or other similar programs. The Programs and Features window primarily shows traditional desktop applications. The other two options, Apps and Features and shell:/Appfolder, will allow you to uninstall both store applications and some traditional programs. This is how you can check which applications and programs are installed on your Windows 11 computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.